Hi friends, I'm here to tell you about my new favorite drink.
Tepache, Tepache.
So Tepache is a Mexican fermented pineapple drink, but it sounds like you can make it out of other things too if you wanted to. I did a little research on YouTube and found a couple of recipes that I liked, and it sounds like you can sort of do whatever you want, throw in this or that, which is exactly my kind of thing because I am not what you call a type A personality. I'm more like a type B or maybe C. Here's what I did to make my tepache. I cut the rinds off of a pineapple that I had bought. I did not put the meat of the pineapple in. I used that to make pineapple juice. And with the pineapple juice, I will make a jungle bird maybe, or an Algonquin. Those are delicious. I'll show you how to make an Algonquin later in the video as a bonus drink. I cut off the skin of the pineapple and threw it into a jar. I also threw in some ginger. I watched Brad Leone make this and he threw ginger in and some other stuff. That sounded like a reasonable idea. I had some cinnamon left over from Cherry Bounce. Threw that in. I had a little extra honey left over from Forbidden Fruit liqueur. Threw that in. Also threw in some cloves and some allspice berries just to spice it up a little, see how it goes. It sounds like you can put in whatever you want, so that's what I did. Oh, this rain is crazy. I added a cup of turbinado sugar. Now, I think the traditional way is to use a raw Mexican sugar called piloncillo. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that exactly right, but it's like a cone of raw sugar that you can throw in. I couldn't find that. So I just used turbinado. It sounds like that doesn't matter either. You can use whatever you want. I filled up this jar with water. Then after I juiced the pineapple, I went ahead and threw in the pulp and stuff left over from the pineapple. Might as well, why waste it? So then just let it sit. It's kind of amazing because it just ferments with the yeast that was on the pineapple. After a day it started being a little bubbly, and after 2 days it was bubblier still. And on the third day it was even more bubbly. So we decided that was good enough. Strained it out. You can strain it through cheesecloth or something else. I have this grain bag that I used to use when I was making beer, and it works great for straining things. Oh, this rain is crazy. I was going to leave it in the bottle for a day to carbonate. It seemed pretty carbonated later that night, so I just went ahead and put it in the fridge. And it came out great. I'm going to have some right now and just show you. It comes out this sort of beautiful pineapple-y color. We mixed it half and half with lager, and it was delicious. Woo! Did you hear that? Self-carbonating. It's pineapple-y. Smells pineapple-y. A little sour, a little yeasty, almost like a beer. It's tart. It's sweet. It's pineapple. I get a little bit of that cinnamon at the end, a little bit of the ginger spiciness. It's not super gingery. It's so refreshing though. Oh my god. If it wasn't pouring rain, I'd say it's a beautiful day to drink tepache. I'm going to say any day is a beautiful day to drink tepache. Anyway, tepache is delicious. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Please like and subscribe and put the little bell icon thingy on. And now I'm going to give you a bonus drink. This is going to be the Algonquin. It's very simple. It's named after the Algonquin Hotel. It's rye, dry vermouth, and pineapple juice. And I add a little grenadine because when I tried it, it wasn't quite sweet enough. Anyway, it's delicious. Oh, this rain is crazy. Hey, thanks for watching. Seriously, make tepache. It could not be simpler, and it could not be more delicious. We will see you next time.